Hello friends, this is me Rishan, continuing the series of most important MCQs for the upcoming JKSSB Finance Account Assistant exam. Friends, this is the part second of the topic Indian Freedom Struggle Movement. In the first video, we did 50 most important MCQs for this topic. Now, we will do 50 more. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. Which Indian mass movement began with famous Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi? Option A. Khilafat movement. Option B. Non-cooperation movement. Option C. Civil disobedience movement. Option D. Quit India movement. Friends, the correct answer is option C. Civil disobedience movement. Dandi March started civil disobedience movement. Dandi March was a 24-day march from March 12 to April 5, 1930. It was a tax resistance campaign against the British salt monopoly. Okay. Question number 2. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of arrival of Simon Commission? Option A. Lord George. Option B. Lord Irwin. Option C. Lord Reading. Option D. Lord Ripon. Friends, Simon Commission was set up in the year 1927 and came to India in 1928. At that time, Lord Irwin was the Viceroy of India. So the correct answer is option B, Lord Irwin. Question number 3. The only session of INC which was presided by Mahatma Gandhi was option A, Belgaum, option B, Surat, option C, Allahabad, option D, Karachi. Friends, and the correct answer is option A, Belgaum. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi was the president of INC in 1924. This session was held on 26th of December. Okay. So Belgaum is the only session of INC which Mahatma Gandhi presided. Okay. Question number 4. Lucknow Pact was signed in option A 1916, option B 1917, option C 1918, option D 1919. And the correct answer is option A 1916. Lucknow Pact was a pact between Indian National Congress and Muslim League. Through this pact, the two parties agreed to allow representation to religious minorities in the provincial legislature. Okay. Question number 5. Who raised the slogan "Do or Die"? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Chandrasekhar Azad. Option C, Lala Lajpat Rai. Option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Friends, the correct answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. During the Quit India movement campaign, Mahatma Gandhi raised the slogan "Do or Die". Question number 6. Mahatma Gandhi considered which of the following personalities as his political guru? Option A is Motilal Nehru. Option B, W.C. Banerjee. Option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option D, Rabindranath Tagore. Friends, the correct answer is option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gandhiji considered Gopal Krishna Gokhale as his political guru. Question number 7. Under which document the separate electorate was granted for Muslims? Option A, Simon Commission report. Option B, communal award. Option C, Montague-Chelmsford reforms. Option D, Morley-Minto reforms. Friends, the correct answer for this is Morley-Minto reforms. Morley-Minto reforms are also known as Indian Councils Act of 1909. Okay. Question number 8. Who said the Congress people are hungry for posts? Option A, Bipin Chandra Pal. Option B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option C, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Friends, the correct answer is option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak called the Congress people as hungry for post. Question number 9. Bal Gangadhar Tilak earned the epithet of Lokmanya Jori. Option A, his trial in 1907-1908. Option B, the Lucknow Pact. Option C, the Home Rule Movement. Option D, the Congress session in 1917. Friends, the correct answer is option C, the Home Rule Movement. Home Rule Movement was derived from Ireland, and Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak separated two separate Home Rule movements in India simultaneously. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi called Bal Gangadhar Tilak as the maker of modern India, and the British officers, British authorities called him the father of Indian unrest. So the father of Indian unrest is also Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and the maker of modern India according to Mahatma Gandhi is also Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 10. Annie Besant became the first woman president of INC in option A 1916, option B 1917, option D 1918, option D 1919. Friends, the correct answer is option B 1970. Annie Besant was the first woman president of INC. She presided the 1917 Calcutta session of Indian National Congress. Annie Besant also started Home Rule League movement. This is important. Question number 11. Rabindranath Tagore returned his knighthood in protest against option A martial law in Punjab, option B Rowlatt Act, option C Jallianwala Bagh massacre, option D imprisonment of Gandhi. Friends, the correct answer is option C Jallianwala Bagh massacre. After the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Rabindranath Tagore returned his knighthood. Question number 12. Mahatma Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement on account of option A communal rights, option B imprisonment, option C Chauri Chaura incident, option D all of the above. Friends, the correct answer is option C Chauri Chaura incident. On 4th February of 1922, participants of non-cooperation movement clashed with police, resulting in death of about 22 policemen and 3 civilians at Chauri Chaura in the Gorakhpur district in present Uttar Pradesh. Okay. This incident didn't go well with the principle of non-violence of Mahatma Gandhi, so he called off the non-cooperation movement. Okay. This event is of 1922. Question number 13. During whose tenure as Viceroy, the Indian National Congress was established? Option A, Lord Lytton, option B, Lord Ripon, option C, Lord Dufferin, option D, Lord William Bentinck. Friends, the correct answer is option C. Indian National Congress was formed in 1885 by A.O. Hume, and the Viceroy at that time was Lord Dufferin. Question number 14. Which of the following is not associated with Lord William Bentinck? Option A, abolition of sati, option B, end of thuggy, option C, higher education in English medium. Friends, option D is doctrine of lapse, and that is your correct answer. Doctrine of lapse was not introduced by William Bentinck but Lord Dalhousie. Okay. All other options are associated with Lord William Bentinck. Friends, William Bentinck was also known as People's Viceroy. Okay, he did a lot of reforms. That is why he was very popular among masses, among all the other viceroys that India had. Question number 15. Which of the following is not related to the period of Chelmsford? Option A, establishment of Muslim League, option B, Lucknow Pact, option D, Rowlatt Act, option D, dual government in provinces. Friends, diarchy, that is dual government in provinces, was introduced by Montague-Chelmsford reforms of 1919. That is correct. Rowlatt Act was introduced in 1919. That is also associated with Chelmsford. Lucknow Pact was in 1916. At that time also, Chelmsford was the viceroy. So, option A, establishment of Muslim League, that was in 1906, is not associated with the period of Chelmsford. Okay, so your answer is option A, establishment of Muslim League. Question number 16th. Who organized the Hindustan Socialist Republican Party? Option A, Veer Savarkar. Option B, Chandrasekhar Azad. Option C, Ram Prasad Bismil. Option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Friends, the correct answer is option C, Ram Prasad Bismil. Some books had it as Chandrasekhar Azad, but the correct answer is Ram Prasad Bismil. Chandrasekhar Azad was also among the initial members, but it was originally found by Ram Prasad Bismil. Question number 17th. When did the Bardoli movement begin under Sardar Patel? Option A 1942, option B 1930, option C 1990, option D 1920. Option D is 1928, friends, and this is also the correct answer. In 1928, Sardar Patel started the Bardoli Satyagraha. Okay. This Satyagraha was launched against the unjust raising of taxes by the British government on the farmers of Bardoli. Okay. Question number 18th. Who was the first European to be elected as President of National Congress, Indian National Congress? Who was the first European to be elected as President of Indian National Congress? Option A is A.O. Hume. Option B is George Euler. Option C is William Olcott. Option D is Alfred Webb. Friends, the correct answer is option B, George Euler. George Euler was the first president that was European to be first European president of Indian National Congress. He became president in 1888 and was the fourth president of INC. Okay. Question number 19th. In which city Lala Hardayal established Ghadar Party? Option A is Lahore. Option B Karachi. Option C Singapore. Option D San Francisco. Friends, San Francisco is the city of USA, and this is your correct answer. Ghadar Party was established at San Francisco. It was established in 1913. Its founders were Lala Hardayal, Sohan Singh Bakhana and Santokh Singh. Okay. Question number 20. Who founded Tattva Bodhini Samaj? Option A Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option B Raja Ram Mohan Roy, option C Ravendranath Tagore, option D Devendranath Tagore. Friends, the correct answer is option D, Devendranath Tagore. Devendranath Tagore founded Tattva Bodhini. It was founded in 1839 as a splinter group of Brahmo Samaj. The idea, question number 21st, the idea of Pakistan was conceived by Muhammad Iqbal is your option A, option B is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, option C is Shaukat Ali, option D Aga Khan. Friends, the correct answer is option A. The idea of Pakistan was conceived by Muhammad Iqbal. The name of the Pakistan was suggested by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in 1933. Okay. Question number 22. Kuka movement is associated with which of the following states? Option A Assam, option B Bengal, option C Punjab, option D Maharashtra. And the correct answer is option C Punjab. Kuka movement is associated with Punjab. The Kukas were also referred as Namdharis who were a sect within Sikhism. They started as a group for religious purification in Sikhism under Ram Singh. Okay. Question number 23rd. Which of the following movements immediately followed the partition of Bengal? Option A, non-cooperation movement. Option B, Swadeshi movement. Option C, civil disobedience movement. Option D, Gadar movement. Friends, the correct answer is Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement was launched in 1906 and Bengal was divided in 1905. Swadeshi movement initially was started against the partition of Bengal. Question number 24th. Which day was declared as a direct action day by the Muslim League? Option A is 3rd September 1946. Option B 16th of August 1946. Option C 16th of May 1946. Option D 4th December 1946. Friends, the correct answer is option B 16th of August 1946. Question number 25. The Simon Commission was boycotted by Indians because option A, it sought to curb civil liberties of the Indians. Option B, it proposed the partition of India. Option C, it was an all-white commission without Indian representation. Option D, it proposed measures to contain nationalism. Friends, the most appropriate answer is option C. It was an all-white commission and was without any Indian representative. So, people resented against it. Okay, resented it. Question number 26. The Muslim League demanded a separate state for the Muslims in the year 1920, 1930, 1940 or 1947. Friends, the correct answer is option C, 1940. In 1930 also, Iqbal raised this issue, but Muslim League officially demanded a separate state in 1940. Question number 27. The famous Pakistan resolution was passed at option A, Lahore, option B, Delhi, option C, Bombay, option D, Lucknow. Hence, the correct answer is option A, Lahore. In 1940, at Lahore, the famous Pakistan resolution was passed, in which the Muslim League demanded a separate homeland for the Muslims carved out of northwestern and eastern part of India. Question number 28. In which session did the INC declare Purna Swaraj to be its goal? Option A is Lahore 1929, option B Lucknow 1916, option C Tripuri 1939, option D Lahore 1940. Friends, we earlier discussed Lahore 1940 is famous for the Pakistan resolution. Lucknow 1916 is Lucknow Pact between the INC and Muslim League. Tripuri 1939 is famous as Subhash Chandra Bose became the president in this session, but later he resigned because of the unwillingness of Mahatma Gandhi. Option A, Lahore 1929, in which Jawaharlal Nehru presided, INC declared Purna Swaraj to be its goal. So correct answer is option A, Lahore 1929. Okay. Question number 29. Which act was called as Black Bill? Option A, Rowlatt Act. Option B, Pitts Act. Option C, Indian Councils Act. Option D, Morley-Minto Reforms. Friends, the correct answer is option A, Rowlatt Act. Okay, Rowlatt Act was called as Black Bill. The Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act of 1919, popularly known as Rowlatt Act, was a Legislative Council Act passed by the Imperial Legislative Council in Delhi on 18th of March 1919, indefinitely extending the emergency measures of preventive, indefinite detention, incarceration without trial, and judicial review. Okay. Question number 30. What was the other name of Quit India movement? Option A, Khilafat movement. Option B, Swadeshi movement. Option C, Home Rule movement. Option D, Agast Kranti. Friends, the correct answer is option D, Agast Kranti. Quit India movement was also known as Agast Kranti. Question number 31. Who among the following never became the president of Indian National Congress? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Friends, the correct answer is option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak never became president of INC. Question number 32. Which one of the following had presided over the Surat session of Indian National Congress 1907? 1907 is famous for Surat split, in which Congress split into two factions, namely moderates and extremists, and it was presided over by option A is Firoz Shah Mehta, option B is Dadabhai Naoroji, option C is Raj Bihari Bose. This is Raj Bihari Ghosh. Option D is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Friends, the correct answer is option C, Raj Bihari Ghosh. The extremists wanted Lala Lajpat Rai or Tilak to be the president of that session, and the moderates wanted Raj Bihari Ghosh. As the Lala Lajpat Rai stepped down, Raj Bihari Ghosh was declared the president of Surat session. This resulted in the split of Congress into two factions, that is moderates and extremists. Question number 33. Who was called as Grand Old Man of India? Option A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B, Dadabhai Naoroji. Option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option D, Firoz Shah Mehta. And the correct answer is option B, Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 34. Who established first Women's University of India? Option A, Hirabai Tata. Option B, Ramabai Ranade. Option C, Annie Besant. Option D, D.K. Kadve. And the correct answer is option D, D.K. Kadve. Friends, Dhondu Keshav Kadve, popularly known as Maharishi Kadve, was a social reformer in India in the field of women's welfare. He advocated widow remarriage and he himself married a widow. Okay. Question number 35. Which viceroy is called as the catalyst of Indian nationalism? Option A, Lord Curzon. Option B, Lord Mayo. Option C, Lord Canning. Option D, Lord Minto. Friends, the correct answer is option A, Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon is called as the catalyst of Indian nationalism. Okay. Lord Mayo is the only viceroy to get assassinated. Okay, he was assassinated in Andaman and Nicobar jail by an Afghan. Okay. Question number 36. Gopal Krishna Gokhale founded Purna Sarvajanik Sabha. Option B, Landholder Society. Option B, Bombay Presidency Association. Option D, Servants of Indian Society. And the correct answer is option D, Servants of Indian Society. Gopal Krishna Gokhale founded Servants of India Society, was founded in 1905 on June 12th. Okay. In Maharashtra. Question number 37. Which of the following places did Kanwar Singh, a prominent leader of the revolt of 1857, belong to? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Punjab. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. Friends, the correct answer is option A, Bihar. Option D, Vande Mataram, the national song of India, was a part of option A, Anand Math. Option B, Bhagavad Gita. Option C, Durgesh Nandani. Option D, Gitanjali. Friends, the correct answer is option A, Anand Math. Vande Mataram was part of Anand Math. Question number 39. Who was called as Mother of Indian Revolutionaries? Option A, Annie Besant. Option B, Sarojini Naidu. Option C, Madam Kama. Option D, Usha Mehta. Friends, Annie Besant was the first woman president of INC. Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian president of INC. She was president in 1925 session. Option C, Madam Kama is the correct answer. Okay. Usha Mehta was also a revolutionary who used radio as a medium to spread revolutionary ideas. Okay. Question number 40. Who ridiculed INC as representing only a microscopic minority of the people? Option A, Lord Dufferin. Option B, Lord Curzon. Option C, Lord Ripon. Option D, Lord Mayo. Friends, the correct answer is option A, Lord Dufferin. Lord Dufferin was viceroy when INC was formed in 1885. Question number 41. Young Bengal movement was started by option A, Swami Vivekananda. Option B, J. Duncan. Option B, H.V. D'Erezio. Option D, Vyomkesh Dutt. Friends, the correct answer is option C, H.V. D'Erezio. Okay. Question number 42. Abhinav Bharat, a secret society of revolutionaries, was organized in 1904 by option A, Aurobindo Ghosh. Option B, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Option C, Bipin Chandra Pal. Option D, Rasbihari Bose. Friends, the correct answer for this is option B, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Question number 43. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Friends, there are the tribal rewards given on the left hand side, and on the right hand side are given the tribal leaders. We have to see which of the following is not correctly matched. Lucia was by Lai Shukla is correct. Shingri was by Nirang Phidu is correct. Assam tribals revolt was by Gandhar Kala. This is also correct. Kherwar revolt was not led by Tirath Singh but Bhagirath Manjhi. Okay, the leader of Kherwar revolt was Bhagirath Manjhi. So option A is incorrect. So your answer is option A. Okay. Question number 44. What was Kamagata Maru? Option A, a magazine of Gadar party. Option B, a jail. Option C, a political party. Option D, none of these. Hence, the correct answer is option D, none of these. Komagatu Maru was actually a Japanese vessel in which a group of people from British India attempted to immigrate to Canada in April 1914, but most were denied entry and forced to return to Calcutta. There, the Indian Imperial Force attempted to arrest the group leaders. A riot ensued and they were fired upon by the police, resulting in the death of 20 people. Okay. Question number 45. Who was the first Indian woman to be elected as the president of INC in 1925? Friends, the correct answer is option A, Sarojini Naidu, as we have discussed it earlier in a question. Okay. Annie Besant was the first president of INC. Usha Mehta was a revolutionary. Madam Kama is known as mother of all revolutionaries. She was the president of Kanpur session. Okay. Sarojini Naidu is also the first Indian governor of any state. She was the governor of United Provinces, which is now Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Question number 46. Who formed the forward bloc? Option A, Motilal Nehru. Option B, Annie Besant. Option C, A.O. Hume. Option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Friends, the correct answer is option D, Subhash Chandra Bose formed the forward bloc. Question number 47. Who among the following formed the Azad Hind Fauj? Option A, Rasbihari Bose. Option B, Mohan Singh. Option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option D, both and B. Friends, Subhash Chandra Bose was the leader of Azad Hind Fauj, but he did not formed it. Actually, Rasbihari Bose and Mohan Singh were the ones who formed it. So, option D is the correct option. It was formed in 1942 in Japan. Okay. Where was the headquarters? Where were the headquarters of INA? Headquarters of INA was in option A, Singapore, option B, Calcutta, option B, San Francisco, option C, San Francisco, option D, Berlin. Friends, correct answer is option A, Singapore. Okay. 49th question. Pune Pact was signed between Gandhi and option A, Dr. Ambedkar, option B, Lord Irwin, option C, Jinnah, option D, Lord Minto. Friends, Gandhi-Irwin Pact of 1931 is a separate thing. This is Pune Pact. It was signed between Dr. Ambedkar and Gandhi. After that, actually the Pune Pact was an agreement between Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Ambedkar on behalf of depressed classes and upper caste Hindu leaders on reservation of electoral seats for the depressed classes in the legislature of British India government in 1930. Question number 50. By the following. Option A, 1896 Calcutta session, which was presided over by Rahmatullah M. Sayani. Vande Mataram song was sung for the first time. This is correct. This is correctly matched. 1905 Banaras session. Its president was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Resentment against the partition of Bengal is correct. 1911 Calcutta session. Its president was Dr. Dhar. Jan Gan Man song for the first time. Song sung for the first time. This is also correct. 1936 Fazpur. Its president was Jawaharlal Nehru. First session to be held in a village. This is also correct. Friends, this concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you in some way. Friends, if you want us to provide such videos on regular basis, please like, subscribe and share this video so that we remain motivated. Okay. Friends, we have already covered the current affairs from January 2021 to April 2021. Also, we have covered the lectures, MCQ lectures on physical and political geography of India and world and Indian freedom struggle. So if you want to take a look on those videos also, please click the links given below. Okay, that's it for today. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.